Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Crime branch declares most wanted police constable Sanjay Parab absconding. Sanjay Parab withdraws his bail plea from the High Court. Sources say Sanjay might surrender anytime. Crime branch arrests PSI Punaji Gaus for missing drugs from court godown. Punaji gives 6 days police custody. Kempe Taluka mining affected People's Front Gherao's Mamladar on Thursday complains of overloading trucks and traffic congestion at Tilamol. Atala's girlfriend Lucky Farmhouse posts more pics of Atala snorting and smoking on her website. Lucky says, I was shooting in Mumbai when Goa police were trailing hard for me. The 15th Sub-Junior National Tennis Ball Cricket Championship begins in Madgaon. And Tempo Sports Club coach Armando Colasso refuses to reveal his summer transfer targets, criticizes AIFF for fiddling with foreigners' quota. And now the news in detail. Crime branch has declared the most wanted cop, Sanjay Parab, absconding. Lookout notice has been issued against Sanjay by the crime branch. Sanjay Parab has withdrawn his bail plea in the High Court. Sources claim that Sanjay Parab can surrender anytime.
The most wanted police in drugs mafia police nexus case, Sanjay Parab, is declared as absconding by the crime branch. DYSP of Crime Branch Chandrakant Salgaonkar has issued a lookout notice on Thursday evening. Absconding police constable Sanjay Parab was trying hard to obtain bail from the lower court. After the dismissal of his bail plea in the lower court, Sanjay Parab knocked the doors of the High Court. The plea was scheduled for hearing on Thursday. Court had ordered Sanjay Parab to remain present for the hearing, but he withdrew his plea and decided to surrender.
The advocate for the applicant, that is Sanjay Parab, moved the court on instructions of his client that his client wants to withdraw the application as he wants to surrender before the police. So on behalf of the prosecution, I did not object. The application has been dismissed as withdrawn. No time has been indicated. That would be left to him to take a decision as to the date and time of the surrender.
Sources claim that absconding police Sanjay Parab might surrender to crime branch anytime. Our principal correspondent Murari Shedye with reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ganesh Otkar and Sushant Pearl.
Police Sub-Inspector Punaji Gaus is remanded to 6 days police custody. PSI Gaus was in charge of the court godown wherein ANC used to stock drugs seized in different raids. Crime branch investigations have revealed that a large quantity of drugs is missing from the storage.
Drugs collected after ANC raids are kept in court godown under strict vigilance. PSI Punaji Gaus was in charge of this godown. A large quantity of drugs is missing from this godown. Crime branch investigations have revealed this fact. PSI Punaji Gaus, who was the in charge of this godown, is arrested for further inquiry.
We have arrested Punaji Gaus in the same police drug peddlers nexus case. The charges are same which we have applied to the earlier accused. The same charges we have applied here. So now he is in custody. You know that Punaji Gaus, we produced him for remand and court has granted 7 days police custody remand.
7 days police custody. And for the investigation?
For the investigation.
Now with the arrest of PSI Punaji Gaus, the number of policemen arrested in police drugs nexus case has reached to 6. PI Ashish Shirodkar along with other 4 police officials were arrested more than a month ago. The Israeli drug lord Atala is also under police custody. Our principal correspondent Murari Shedye with video journalist Ganesh Otkar.
Mining trucks are back in the news. Kempe Taluka mining affected People's Front Gheraud Mamladar on Thursday. They have complained of ore overloading and traffic congestion at the Tilamol junction. They have also criticized the authorities for passing the buck. Kepe Taluka Mining Affected People's Front gherawed Mamlatdar and DYSP on Friday. They claim that the mining traffic do not follow the High Court order with respect to overloading of trucks. The front has also blamed the authorities for passing the buck.
हायकोर्टान जी ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आहा ओवरलोडिंगा विशीं ती कशी ती जो मेरेन जेन्ना ऑर्डर इम्प्लिमेंट केली तो मेरेन सान ती इम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे जायना सो ताका लागून मामलेदार नंतर आमी डिवायसी मेळ्ळे आनी डिवायस म्हणटा की आपल्या कडेन तें ओवरलोडींग म्हणटा तें ट्रॅफिकान पळोवपाचें ट्रॅफिका समज बी जालें ट्रॅफिक म्हणटा तें आरटीओन तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाचें सो ताका लागून आतां डिवायसी कडेन फाल्यां 11 वरांचेर बसपाचें.
Front claims that more than 4 to 5 trucks move per minute. They have demanded implementation of the High Court order. They have also threatened to hit the roads if the state administration doesn't act.
आणि ट्रक वत्ते सामकी ओवरलोडिंग वयता ओवरलोडिंग केल्ली कारणान रस्त्यार माल पडटा माल पडले कारणान धूळ जाता आनी धुळान हेल्थ प्रॉब्लेम जाता पूण जे ऑफिसरांक म्हणले ते आतां डिवायस म्हणटा आपल्याक कांय अधिकार ना कशें अधिकार ना जे ट्रक थिंगा 100 टायमिंगा कलेक्ट 100 ते 100 PM 6 AM to 6 PM पूण हिंगा 5:30 ट्रक स्टार्ट जाताय आतां कोण इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें पुलिसान इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें आरटीओन करपाचें का कलेक्टरान जीपी नायकान इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जायना जाल्यार आमकां स्वता फोर्सान इम्प्लिमेंट करची पडटली वा रस्त्यार येवन इम्प्लिमेंट करची पडटली आनी मागीर खंयच्या ऑफिसाक अधिकार आसा खंयचे व्हरून इम्प्लिमेंट एक्शन घेवपाक पावर आसात काय ना ते मागीर पळोवचें पडटलें.
A reporter from Kurchode, Mayur Naik.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.